Welcome everyone to the Digital Logic Design Simulation Test Project. The name of the project is Fire Alarm Security System. It will be simulated by myself, Armin Jahananika, and will be submitted to Akram Hosaain. Here we can see the circuit diagram. There is one heat sensor, smoke sensor, one 10K resistor, one 9-volt battery, one OR gate, one NAND gate, a green LED, a red LED, and a buzzer alarm. We can see the truth table. There are two inputs A and B, and there are two outputs X and Y. I'll be doing the simulation in NI multisim. Here I took two sensors, heat sensor and one smoke sensor. I took two gates, one OR gate and one NAND gate. There are two probes, green LED and red LED. I'll be connecting all of these components together, and then I'll run the simulation file.